Welcome to Shankar Academy. I am Prahaladh, banking faculty. Now I am explaining new monetary policy guidelines of RBI. RBI earlier, they have the monetary policy, one side they decided. Later, as per the Urjit Patel committee, they recommended to formation of a monetary policy committee. So, as per the Urjit Patel committee, RBI formed a MPC. MPC means Monetary Policy Committee. Monetary Policy Committee. This Monetary Policy Committee comprising of 6 members. 6 members. Out of the 6 members, 3 members representing RBI. This out of the 3 members, RBI governor is a must. RBI governor is heading the committee. RBI governor is heading the committee, and second person, deputy governor of RBI, who is in charge of monetary policy. In charge of monetary policy. Third person, any executive director or any senior person from RBI representing third person, any senior person, ED or any senior person. Senior person. So, 3 persons representing RBI side and another 3 members external, eminent economist. Another 3 persons external, eminent economist. Eminent economists. These 6 members normally will assemble at RBI head office Mumbai and have a discussions to determine or decide key policy rate. To determine key policy rate, that means repo rate. Key policy rate. Normally, it denotes to repo rate of RBI. The repo rate is a very, very important rate which is by business environment. So, repo is whether to increase the repo rate or decrease the repo rate is decided by the Monetary Policy Committee based on the voting. So, if the RBI wants to increase the repo rate, these 6 members have a discussion and they will go for a voting, and the majority member is approving or concurring for increasing the repo rate, then they will agree for increasing a repo rate. Ultimately, it comes as a decision. Then RBI will announce the repo rate in a monetary policy. Every year, there are 6 policy. Monetary policy, every year 6 policies there. 6 policy. Bi-monthly, each policy bi-monthly. Every 2 months, one policy. Every 2 months, one policy. In case of a situation where there is a COVID like a situation or some situation where they cannot convene a meeting for a discussion, in that case, 4 policy is compulsory or mandatory. Mandatory or compulsory. At least 4 policy every year should be the monetary policy. The monetary policy, once all the 6 members agreeing or concurring with the majority for increasing the repo rate or decreasing the repo rate, finally the decision will be taken by the committee either to increase or decrease the repo rate. Okay. What is the repo rate? Repo rate is a rate of interest. Repo is a rate of interest. Interest collected by RBI collected by RBI for lending to commercial banks. Lending to commercial banks. Commercial banks. So the repo loan has an impact in the banking loans. So when the repo rate is increased, automatically the bank's lending rate and EMI of a customer will undergo a change. Banks also increase the EMI. So repo rate plays an important role in the banking environment. Banks lending rate also decided based on the repo rate. Normally banks have three types of interest rate as of now: base rate, marginal cost lending rate, and repo linked lending rate. So individual banks benchmark lending rate also in line with the RBI repo rate. So bank has to change their lending rate based on the repo rate released by RBI. Okay. RBI is giving a repo type of a loan, commercial bank, both a short term and long term. Please. Both the short term and long term repo loans are given by RBI. Repo loans are available for banks against pledge of securities. So when bank wants to avail a loan, banks have to pledge the government securities with RBI and have to avail the loan. The bank will use the loan for lending to public, the loan availed by RBI. Then at the time of closure, bank has to pay interest to RBI. Presently, the repo rate is, as per the policy, present repo rate is a 5.5%. That means for every 100 rupees loans raised by the bank has to pay 5 rupees 50 paise for interest on 100 rupees loans. Okay. Now, it's called repo loan is available for a fixed rate and floating rate. Repo rates are available at a fixed rate also and a floating rate also available from RBI. Okay. Now, thank you. No, repo இன்னும் முடியலையே, பரவாயில்லையா, அவ்வளவுதானா? எவ்வளவு ஆயிருக்கு பாருங்க.